Well, I saw your question on the discussion board. You asked about how to find compound interest or compound amount. You're given a principal of $3,500. Time was 4 years. The rate was 7.1%. Now, you didn't give this information. I just kind of assumed it's compounded annually. Here's the formula. To explain the formula up here, you're looking for A. The principal's 3,500. It's 1 plus the rate over N. Now the rate's something real important. You got to convert this to decimal. You got to move it 7.1%. You got to move the decimal 2 places to the left, and that'll make that 0.071. Now N here is how many times it compounds per year. And compound annually, that would just be once. Then it's N times T, 1 times 4. T's how many years. So I put this part in the calculator. I come out with approximately 1.3157 multiplied by 3,500 and $4,604.96. Hope this helps.